Have you ever looked at someone else's life and thought they were better than you? Smarter, prettier, stronger, that you were just less? You're not alone. Let me tell you a story. In a small village surrounded by hills and forests lived a boy named Ayaan. He was quiet. He liked books, drawing, and watching the stars. But Ayaan had a problem. Every time he saw someone doing something amazing, he would whisper to himself, "I'll never be like them." His best friend Ravi was fast, funny, and popular. Everyone loves Ravi, Ayaan thought. Why can't I be more like him? His sister Lila danced beautifully. She always spoke with confidence. She shines so bright, Ayaan sighed, while I just fade into the background. And so... Little by little, Ayaan began to hide his talents. He stopped drawing. He stayed quiet, even when he had great ideas. He stopped trying, because he thought he didn't matter. One day, Ayaan's grandfather took him for a walk. They walked past the fields and trees until they reached a large tree. The sun was shining gently behind them. Grandfather pointed to the ground. "Do you see those two shapes?" he asked. Ayaan looked. One was the long, dark shadow of the tree. The other was a patch of sunlight beside it. "Which one do you think is more important?" Grandfather asked. Ayaan frowned. "I don't know. Maybe the sunlight?" Grandfather smiled. "Both are part of the tree's story. The shadow shows that the tree stands tall. The light shows where the tree lets the sun in. Without the shadow, we would never understand light." Then he looked at Ayaan with kind and knowing eyes. "You are not supposed to be like Ravi or Lila. You are not their copy. You are your own story." That night, Ayaan took out his old sketchbook. He began to draw again, not because he wanted to impress anyone, but because it made him feel alive. He wrote little poems, he helped his classmates in quiet ways, he smiled more and compared less. And you know what? Something magical happened. People noticed. Not because he tried to be someone else, but because he finally allowed himself to be himself. Dear friend, if you've been looking at others and feeling small, remember this. A star never compares itself to the moon. The river doesn't envy the sea. A sunflower doesn't wish to be a rose. You are not behind. You are not too late. And you are not less. You are simply you. And that, my friend, is more than enough. Here are some words you heard in the story and what they mean. Fade, to slowly disappear or lose color or strength. Frowned, to show confusion or sadness by bringing your eyebrows together. Confidence, the feeling of believing in yourself. Copy, trying to be just like someone else instead of being your own person. Envy, feeling sad or jealous because someone else has something you want. Rose and sunflower, both are beautiful flowers. One is not better than the other. They are just different, like you and me. If this story touched your heart, share it with someone who needs to hear it. And don't forget to subscribe for more stories like this. Stories that help you grow, believe, and shine. Because the world needs your light. And never forget. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. And remember, the best is yet to come. You got this.